So hey y'all. Oh, let me close this one. But boom, I did right there. So hey y'all, I'm finna do my hair and I'm finna, y'all, I'm finna record myself doing my hair or whatever. And yeah, so I'm finna get into this. I'm finna do this. This wig is from Amazon. I will do a review on it, okay? The hair is very soft. I did add a bundle of hair in here. But yeah, this hair is very, very soft. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and get to doing the hair. Period. Here we go. Get to doing this wig. So I'm gonna take it back off my head and go with this. So basically what I'm doing is just using a hot comb to comb my hair out of the way so I can lay the lace down, because when you don't do that, it makes it a lot harder. Or you could just put mousse on it, but I just like the hot comb because it makes it way easier. So let me tell y'all how I wasn't even doing nothing for real. And it pissed me off because I really thought I was doing something, but I wasn't, because I wasn't pressing down hard enough with the pen. So it just blew me. But yeah. So basically what I'm about to do now is cut the lace into 3 pieces so it'll make it easier to apply. I'm going to cut one side and then the other side, so that leaves the middle and the 2 sides. So once that's done, I went on ahead and wiped my hair with, I don't even think it was alcohol. I think it was like witch hazel or whatever my toner I use for my face, because the alcohol, that should be seeming too strong for my polar edges. So I went on in and wiped everything off, and y'all see I got off hella makeup. So that's why it's really important to wipe your hairline before you put your wig on, because you will get lifted if all the damn makeup is on there and you put the damn wig down. So y'all, so please disregard the fact that my face was ashy as hell because I had just got done washing my face. I had just got out the shower and I didn't put no moisturizer on my face because I just wanted my face to be dry for a minute, because I had been wearing makeup. So yeah. I'm going to apply about 3 to 4 coats of glue. I might do 4 to 5, I don't remember. But I applied a couple of coats of glue to make sure that thing really stuck on there. And then that's when I laid the lace down.
Let's talk about this paper. Let's talk about them jets. Yeah, let's talk about Jamaica. Ask about me. I ain't never been a fraud. I went hard from the start. In my city, I'm a god, motherfucker.
So I guess I just got tired of putting the glue on piece by piece, and I just slapped her glue on there. So here I go, slapping her glue on there. And I'm just going to let that dry. Then I'm still going to put the wig down piece by piece, in the sections you see it in. But I just put all the glue down at one time because I just got tired of being, y'all see. finna go in with the freeze spray to give it just an extra little security. I normally use my Fix It spray stuff from ORS, but I just couldn't find no more. So here we go, using this just to make sure I get some extra security and an extra, melt when I put the elastic band on. So I just went on the end and put some mousse on there. I know you put mousse on there before I put my elastic band on. I don't know why, I just do, but I be putting mousse on there before I put my elastic band on. So here I go, put my mousse on, and I'm gonna put my elastic band on. Reason with this wig, it did not have a lot of side part space, so I had to go ahead and finesse the little deep side part. So I don't know, I remember how I did it, but I just really curved it to give it a side part effect without showing, my track. So I'm gonna just do that while my elastic band is melting my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my extra lace off with a razor. You can use scissors. I just prefer to use a razor because it's way easier and it gives me more of a ragged look that I'm going for without having to do all that extra stuff with the scissors. After I finished cutting all that lace off, I went on ahead and applied my elastic band again to make sure it was really secured down. So I'm going to put the elastic band on one more time before I do my edges. So what I'm finna do now is just comb my hair down, make sure it's real flat. I'm not gonna bore y'all, so I don't want y'all to see no more of this because I did this for like a whole 10 minutes. But I'm just gonna hot comb it down, make sure the part real straight, wax stick it to make sure I ain't got no flyaways. Then I'm gonna go in and start doing my baby hairs. Now I'm just gonna go on in with this concealer. This is my concealer shade mixed with my foundation shade. I went on ahead to define my part to make sure you can really see it. So that's what I'm doing now. What I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and pull my perimeters out so I can get ready to do my baby hair. So I just parted enough hair to where when I swoop it and put stuff on it, it won't look like it ain't nothing there. So I just went on ahead and parted my whole perimeter of my head for my baby hairs. this point, I was tired of doing my hair, so I went on ahead and finally finished up the little edge part. Went on ahead and threw the elastic band on there so I could get my milk going, whatever. Let it sit on there for a good 20-30 minutes. I went on ahead and ate. Then I went on ahead and took it off, and she was most definitely laying. So now I'm just finna sit here and let the baby hairs. The baby hairs I tried to recreate were the eras. She got a picture, of her deep wave hair with some very, very dramatic baby hairs, and I really like them. So I went on ahead and copied her. So that's what I'm finna do, and I'm gonna let y'all watch. So at this point, I was flat ironing my edges because I was trying to get all of the hairs down, because some of them just wasn't like staying down. They were trying to stick up. So I went on ahead and flat ironed it and bumped it a little bit so it'd be a little easier for me to work with. And that really made a difference. Since I didn't have the mini flat iron, I had to use my big ass flat iron. Then I went on ahead and cut them. And after you do that, honestly, if you was to cut them before and use the flat iron, like, it would make it 10 times easier. Like, you would use that little flat iron, make that little curl grow, put that mousse on there, it's gonna lay like nothing, like, easily. So that is another hack that you can have when you are doing your baby hairs if you're having a hard time getting them to get that little swirly, curly look. So with this sideburn, y'all gonna see me cut from my ear part, like cut from behind at an angle. And the reason I did that is because I don't like for when I swirl my sideburn for it to be all in my ear, for the inside to be all in my ear, because it's so long versus the outside being shorter and the inside being longer. I like for the outside to be longer and the inside to be shorter, because I just like the way that it just looks so much cleaner to me versus when vice versa, if y'all understand what I'm saying. So that's just my preference. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion, but that is how I do my sideburn. Basically, what I'm going to do is do the same thing I did on the other side, flat iron them down, curl them down before I even cut them, and I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to curl them again, I'm going to lay them, the whole little process I'm going to do again. I'm going to do it. I'm finna do is continue to let the baby hairs. And right now, I'm just finna go do that swoop-de-doop. I'll be real precise on how I want my little edges, because edges will mess up a wig, y'all. Like, it will make your wig look terrible if your baby hairs ain't laying how they supposed to lay. I think it had got stuck or something, or I think it was just sticking together and I didn't want to stick together no more. So that's what I did to get it to separate. But now I'm finna go ahead and finish laying the baby hairs. And the video probably almost finna be over. So I don't think I did an outro to this video, so since I didn't, once the video is over, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have, thank you for subscribing. Continue to watch. I got more videos coming, wig videos, clothes videos, nail videos, whatever videos y'all want. But we're gonna continue to do this wig until this video is over and I'm gonna come back. Here. We just gonna use this to talk about how this girl fucked my lashes up. Yeah. She messed my lashes up and you can really see them. Like, that shit was terrible. She messed my lashes up. She gave me fucking clusters and I ain't even had. She just messed me up. Messed me like all the way up. Lashes was coming off in chunks. Like, I had to get them removed. When I got them removed, it took her fucking 30 minutes to remove them, y'all. Like, it was terrible. But I fixed them because it was Valentine's Day, so I fixed them because I wanted them to look nice. But after that, I got them hoes removed because she messed me up. But back to the video. Here is finished product. I hope you guys liked it. I took my time doing this wig for a change, so it really came out good. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on because I will be posting more often. If you are already subscribed, thank you for watching.